Blender can feel overwhelming, but today I'm showing you just 3 things you need to succeed in 2025. If you're ready to take your 3D art to the next level, watch to the end. Part 1. Tutorials. The first thing you need are tutorials. Tutorials are like a map for Blender. They guide you step by step through uses and tools. There's also a Blender tutorial for almost anything. But here's the trick. Once you finish, take the project and make it your own. Maybe add something unique to the scene. This transforms a tutorial from just practice to an animation you can share to anyone. Part 2. Time. The second thing you need to focus on is time, but not in the way you think. Instead of rushing through projects to finish them quickly, spend more time on each one. Push your work as far as it can go. Change textures, add some more lighting, and perfect the details. Quality takes time. When you dedicate more time to a project, you learn to problem solve and refine your skills. Think of every project as a portfolio piece. It's not just about finishing, it's about making it your best work. Part 3. Experiment. Experiment. Blender's an infinite sandbox. Try tools you've never used before, just to see what happens. Some of your best ideas will come from exploring without a plan. Experimentation doesn't just teach you new skills, it helps you find your unique style. Don't be afraid to play around, that's how you grow as an artist. So there you have it, tutorials, time, and experimentation. The 3 things you need to focus on in 2025. Make it your Blender year. Also, if you're watching this, Happy New Year 2025, yeah.